All right, Kevin here from C3. Thanks for joining us again. Today, we're going to be installing our handguard system. We're going to talk about how it integrates and show you how it integrates with our risers and our top clamp. It's a very durable system and gives you lots of protection for your hands, as well as if you add the shield expanders, gives you a little bit extra protection for the really cold weather and stuff like that. So anyways, let's get started on it and see how it goes here. Get the top clamps put on. We're just going to use our flip chips, which allow the one set of risers to fit all the brands of bars. And they just go in a different orientation based on which brand of bike you have. The first step is installing the bars, but before you do that, you just have to cut off the end of your hand grips so that the bolt can go into the end of the bar. So in this setup, we're gonna install the shield expanders at the same time as our hand guards. And don't forget to use a little blue Loctite on all the screws and bolts. So the C3 top clamp actually has threaded holes that are meant for mounting a TTO gauge. Remember, when you do mount it, just be careful. Don't over tighten these screws because it'll flex the display and crack it. So a little drop of blue Loctite and don't over tighten them. Okay, so that's it. That's the C3 handguard install with shield expanders. Just note the extra protection that they give for cold weather and the positioning that our handguards actually sit in and really protect your hands. They're the strongest one out there. We obviously ride with them. Everyone that rides with them loves them. So anyways, hope you enjoy them. Thanks a lot for your purchase.